I have never felt anything better than this in my life. Oh my god, kids, you should feel this. It feels like slime, right? I think this is my new slime. Clay slime. Okay. Oh my god. Everybody, welcome back to my video. So last month I made a coffee shop video. Today we're gonna make slime with my new unicorn slime kit. So let's get on moving. So let's open it. Oh! Can you help me, guys? Look at all your stink. I need someone's help. There's no tape or anything. For some reason it's not opening. I need someone's help. My mom is gonna help me. The camera woman. I'll hold it for her. Use all that girl power. There you go. Whoa! I did not expect this. Whoa! We got some soft clay. Whatever this is. We got some foam cubes. Yeah. We got some beads. I'll tell you the colors after we see everything else. We got some measuring cups. I don't know what you need it for. You got the instructions, I hope so. This is borax activator. So the age recommended 7 years old, and I am too, or older. This is our clear glow. And this is cups for our slime, I think. I guess. I'm just guessing. These are our lids, I suppose. And there you go, instructions. Okay, so you want to make slime. Let's go. What, it says go, not go. Oh my goodness. So what we have is we have the clear glue, the borax, and everything else. Okay. Let me see. So the borax miniature. This is the borax. Be careful with these people. Oh my god, clumsy me. Little bit clumsy me. Oops. Okay, so we got add water to the borax bottom and mix. Shake it well. Shake it to wake it. What? Remember to make sure the borax water is fully mixed. Shake before they are reused. Don't add too much borax water or your slime will go hard. You should not put too much. Okay, first we're gonna put some water in our borax. I wonder where's the water? Water.
What is it?
It's paint party purple. A little bit more. Okay. Now it looks enough. Enough. Okay. Let's see how it's gonna go. Oh. Getting sticky. So we gotta mix it. Now we put a little bit more color so it was too light. So we kind of needed more color. Now we're gonna put our beads. We got these rainbow beads. Let's get all the colors in there. Oh, there's some little jumpy jumps. Like little baby jumpy jacks. Hey, they're not going. Anyway, you're going in my slide. Did you finish it up? Let's see. Gonna mix them. Oof, it's a workout. Ooh. more beads. There's nothing wrong about too much more beads, you know. Get a blue. This is my first time. This actually turned okay, but we did a couple, like maybe like an hour so to let it be so you can play with it, because now it's really kind of sticky. You want to get messy all over your hands and they have no more slime. So our second slime is we're gonna use our soft clay and we're gonna add color, whatever color we want. So we got our 7 slimes. I made 7. That's a lot, right? So we have a purple, lovely, it's fluffy clay. We got some beads, some rainbow beads with the white clay. We left it white. And this is plain pink. This is a blue. It's very nice. This is the clear one I have showed you. And this one. And this one. Go check on this at Amazon and have fun with your slime kit, unicorn slime kit, and age recommended 7-year-old and more, older. See you next time. Make sure to subscribe all my videos and make sure you ring the bell. Bye. Love you.